So this is it. This is me. These are the results that I have just provided a moment ago. This is my test flow. So it's exactly what I was looking at and what order, including my survey answers. Perhaps also how long I was looking at certain items. And here on the right, we can see the aggregated results for each one of the items, including the statistics for the survey question. In this case, apparently that's actually a pretty good number. 40% of panelists were kind of like recalled that the pH water was 7.2. We can see the finish on key press statistics. So what was the average finish time? What were the aggregated survey responses? And so on. But let's start with looking at my recording. The recordings are available right away after every panelist finishes his or her test. Also, it's actually pretty important to underline that our tool is never ever recording anything from the panelist webcams or never taking any pictures or images. So all the calculations are happening on the panelist web browsers, and we are not storing the videos, not even sending them to our servers. We rely as a European-based company. We have pretty strict GDPR, I mean like privacy data protection policy. So we wouldn't even like to have all the data from panelists from people's homes on our servers. So all the calculation is happening online, and this is actually pretty wonderful thing. Okay, so this is more or less of my gaze looking at the planogram. Again, I clicked Evian water. That's my gaze browsing through the bottle. I'm going to swipe to speed up to the mock-up test, so you can see how it is when it comes to the website testing. So that was me browsing the pop-up, trying to figure out what to do to close it. Then I was browsing the page, reading it, scrolling down. Everything is recorded, including mouse movements, mouse clicks, and so on. But this is even though this is already powerful data analysis, including individual interactions, this is not yet the power of eye tracking in full sense, full scope. Also, as you can see here, there are a few graphs here, including the emotional states of surprise, neutral, and happiness. As you can see, the surprise and the happiness levels were a bit higher here for myself in this video advertisement when it appeared that it doesn't have keys. That's actually kind of funny joke for me every time I see these advertisements. But also we can see the attention, as mentioned before, the K coefficient for each stimuli individually. As you can see, there are some kind of like small spots in between here, but also in time. So we can observe which, for instance, part of the advertisement brought the biggest attention for individual panelists in this case, but also for the aggregated